How to withdraw money from CryptoGuru app. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to withdraw money from CryptoGuru. CryptoGuru is a mobile app that simulates cryptocurrency trading. You can use it to practice buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, my current CryptoGuru balance is 3K. The app lets you earn and trade virtual currencies, which is great for practice. But before we go any further, let's talk about CryptoGuru itself. When we search the Play Store for CryptoGuru, we find out that it is a trading simulator. It's essentially like a game to help you learn the ropes of crypto trading without any real-world financial risk. This means all the currency and funds within the app are virtual and cannot be withdrawn. It's designed to help you practice trading, not to make real money. While you can trade and make money in CryptoGuru, it's all virtual currency. There's no option to withdraw these funds to your bank account. They're strictly for practicing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency trades. CryptoGuru lets you trade virtual currencies and make virtual profits. However, you can't withdraw this money as real currency because it's a trading simulator, confirmed by my research online. So CryptoGuru is a great tool to learn about cryptocurrency trading, but the money you make is not real. You can't withdraw it to your bank account. If you have any questions about CryptoGuru or other platforms, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. I hope this video clarified things. If you found it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.